Alright guys, so today we're doing a snack to the future. Alright, so we got all these snacks here. We got the bagel bites, the Cheetos, the Doritos, the push pops. These are today's snacks. They're Hostess. What are they? Like strawberries and cream.
Look good. I haven't seen them before.
They're like cake pops, I guess you could say. We got some chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos. We got some Twinkies.
We got everything, okay? So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be bringing generations of snacks. As Chuck said, we have all of this right in front of us. So it's Snack to the Future because we're going to start all the way from the what? The 1910s, 1920s?
Something like that. So we're going in chronological order.
What up? From time.
From the time he was born to the time I was born just recently.
We're starting from the 1910s to the 20s. And
so what is that?
That is the Oreos. And Matt actually wanted to do a little spin on it. What did you say about the Oreos?
It's like Snack to the Future. Exactly Snack to the Future.
The reason why it's like a snack to the future is because Oreos were indeed invented back in the 1920s. But this is a new flavor. You know how they make those new flavors. You got
we weren't gonna do you guys like that and give you the original. We're gonna try it out.
Well, we all know what the original tastes like, right?
I was actually looking forward to try these. Chocolate peanut butter pie.
You know what? I'm not one that actually tries all these specialty Oreos. I know Chuck's always tells me that they're good. I never really tried them.
Them strawberry shortcake
Yeah,
ones?
you did. You told me to Everybody
So we'll try one at the same time.
Really get it?
It smells good. It smells really good. Be like those makeup people.
The makeup guru.
Open it and show them the inside.
Alright, let's show you the inside.
This guy over here already ate it.
Try in the middle?
We're supposed to try it at the same time.
Let's try it. Let's go.
You guys are taking too long. The smell got to me.
I like them already.
Yeah, they kind of taste like, what's those peanut snacks?
They taste like Oreos and then you dip them in peanut butter. Because after watching The Parent Trap, I had to try that. I had to try that, and yeah, they taste really good.
They're good. I don't think I would like them.
Kind of tastes like Christmas cookies with peanut butter on them. I like those peanut shaped snacks with peanut butter inside. And they just said it's supposed to be like a pie crust.
They're the bomb. Ratings?
Now, what do we give that?
I give it a 9 out of 10.
I need to try one more to make sure. I'd say 8.
I agree. An 8. I would give it an 8. You gonna try it?
8.5.
Just because you definitely need water. Oh look, did you?
I want that right
Is it
now.
defective or is like the bottom like a crust?
So let's go next on to our list.
I love it.
Oh, your boy's favorite. Ayo Recess when we make it famous. Holla at your boy. They're my favorite chocolates
Really?
of all time.
That's why.
Second would have to be cookies and cream Hershey's. But these are my top.
Here, you can never really.
Twix, there you go.
Here.
There's red babies in that
I
present.
can't. Oh, I thought you said like it's a
We talking all that shit. You can't even open it.
For real. I don't want to break my teeth.
Too late.
Too late.
Oh, zoom in.
Yo, Nancy, you like that,
You was talking all that shit. You can't even open them.
I just got
We're
them.
gonna have to cut it.
Look at that.
Here. I'll do it in 1 second.
Well, you can. Oh, let's see. One. He already had opened it.
All of y'all are millennials. I'm an OG.
Damn it, it's already close to Halloween. You guys know you're gonna be getting that candy soon.
There's Reese's. There's Reese's
I
right
saw
here.
some Christmas decorations.
I know.
Christmas.
Yeah, when the holidays come up, they offer it.
Oh,
Wait,
shit.
Nobody.
Damn.
You still gonna eat it.
Man, they made these things small.
Reese's is Reese's.
I like them.
They're not just Reese's.
They're better with ice.
Wow.
What do we rate a Reese's?
Give it a 6.
Really? You don't like them that
You
much?
hater ass bitch.
I give them an 8. I like Reese's. I don't love them, but I like them.
Honestly, on a nice day, Reese's is like a 8.5.
kind of nice.
They
dude.
come in clutch sometimes.
Yes, next.
So we hit the Reese's were what?
The 1920s to the 30s, and we have one more thing, which totally gives me like throwback vibes for me, which is. Do you guys remember this?
I remember having bed.
Yeah.
Being little?
I remember having
It was
bed.
my grandparents.
I think this is Ant-Man.
Better keep that. That's
I
gonna
told
be
you that.
This
It's gonna be
guy.
valuable.
He said it was Star Lord.
Collectible.
I was like, bro,
Oh my gosh.
do you not watch Avengers?
This guy's a fraud.
Oh my god. Who's his girlfriend? Who's his girlfriend?
You see how this guy's a fraud?
See, he doesn't.
Star-Lord and the
You did. You called
Walmart.
him Star
He
Lord.
saw
I was
He agreed.
singing.
Singing.
I'm a motherfucking Star Boy.
Oh.
That is so much worse. You should have just taken that L. Just taken
at
that
least
L.
he-
Because I'm right. He thought. He doesn't even know who Star Lord's
See?
girlfriend is. Star Lord
That's
or
Spencer.
Ant-Man.
Now, what flavors do they always come with random flavors? Do you remember?
I remember just having cherry. I don't remember any other flavors.
Apparently,
I mean,
this is lemon, this, cherry,
Cherry's the way to go.
and
We use
strawberry.
cherry.
Honestly, I want to try it.
Well, yeah, we should put
Eight
the
or
beach. So let's fill it up.
You're doing it wrong, first and foremost. You're not a 90s kid.
You're not a 90s kid. Yo, you know what I miss?
This kid.
Them hot Cheeto asteroids.
Guys, we wanted to get some of those.
They're like 10 minutes
They have one on
eBay.
Amazon. Yeah.
You know what? Those Oreos were pretty damn dry.
The Oreos?
Drier than a Popeye's biscuit.
Do you change your rating
Oh.
now?
Popeyes, y'all need to change your biscuit
I mean,
mix.
yeah, you know what?
Nah,
You say you change it?
Y'all trifling. You need to put some jelly or honey in there. That's
No,
what you need to
We
do.
gotta
Church's
take
chicken
them
has
like
the best
alternative.
biscuits out of
That's
Popeyes
right.
and Church's. Church's
But yeah, there's
honey
something so
biscuit.
fitting here.
Yeah, but we're supposed to spread them
Oh.
out.
See, that's how you
Spread
know.
them cheeks.
Oh my goodness.
Amateur.
Can you hear me?
Now they're all on the
Boy,
body.
what are you
I used to
doing
do this.
to me?
How can at you at? Oh my
I
god.
nominate y'all both to the player hitter's
Good.
ball.
At 20 years old, you can't do this. But at 4 years old, we were doing it. It was easy.
4 years old.
Sheesh.
At 4 years old,
I don't know this.
I had a leapfrog.
He did.
You had a
Dude.
fucking sketch pad.
Hey, we're way more talented.
Who's creative? Who? Did we mix them? Can I
Yes.
get two?
No,
Just
no,
go
no.
one at
You
a
know
time.
we used to
Oh,
say
I
it.
wanna
You know
do
we used to
yellow.
say at Clardy
Why don't we
Elementary.
go-
First is the worst, second is the best.
There it is, mom. There it is.
Well, I win that one too then.
That's not the same flavor that I remember when I was little.
No, really? What flavor was that? Cherry?
I don't know if it was cherry or strawberry.
Dude, is there like, do you remember all the
Tastes
different
like
kinds
Smarties.
of pies
Yo,
they
the
had?
same.
And you got lemon. Good.
I want to get a little.
I'll give it a 3.
Squished it.
I'll give it a 3 out of 10. It didn't make me smile.
This
Good?
one- I think the whole point of having a Pez when you're little is just the fact that you had a little action figure on the top.
That give you candy?
Yeah, and you'd be like,
What's it gonna
You
do?
know what?
Bullshit.
What's it gonna do? Kick Superman with no legs?
it says the kids that grew up with iPads.
I'm not gonna lie.
They got when they were born.
This don't hit, but
It's
you
not-
gotta think it on the perspective of back then. Like this stuff was like hot.
It was the coolest thing. You got a toy and candy.
He's false though, because I played with toys. Now's generation, the kids grow up with iPads. Not
That's his
us.
generation.
Do you guys remember the candy necklaces and bracelets that they had?
Yes.
That
Just
nasty
like
crap
those.
when they wanted you to. Yeah, that Smarties, it's all the same. It all tastes the
This
same.
ain't on the flip.
Those big jawbreakers like in Nettie.
I know.
Those.
I
Do they
hated
still have
those things.
children?
I hated
Yeah.
those things. We should have got those.
We ended up getting one. My friend
Yeah,
got us
cherry
one.
was gross.
I'm telling you, the red one was like weird. The
Lemon
yellow
was the
one
best
pretty,
one.
yeah.
3 out of 10
Mm-mm.
for me.
It was fun back then, not so much now.
Yeah, I think put a 6. think-
Retweet.
A 7 for the vibes, a 6 for the flavor.
Retweet.
I give it a 5.
What's next? I bet some nasty.
How about you guys guess this next? Now this is the 30s and the 40s. This is
All right,
like-
Cheese Whiz.
No.
Really?
I say it's either
This.
it's the Cheetos.
No.
What is
So 30s
next?
to 40s.
Hot Pockets.
One good guess.
Oh,
so
the
we-
Twinkies.
Yeah,
It's the
you're right.
Twinkies.
You're right. It's the Twinkies. That's the Twinkies.
That was more than one guess.
Sorry. You know
So
Ah.
1930s to the 40s.
Let's
we
just
came
split
to.
it
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat the
Yeah,
whole
me,
thing.
me
So
and
just
Tony will.
do they come in two? Right?
No, they come in one.
Okay, okay.
Dang.
Wow.
I'm thinking about Swiss rolls. I like Swiss rolls.
Swiss
Those
rolls
are fucking good.
Someone's a guru.
Come in.
Even the
Twinkies is the goat. Twinkies is the goat. Point blank.
You
simple.
basic. You
Twinkies.
basic.
Please, really?
So what were you gonna do
We
when
almost-
the Twinkies were gonna die?
I went to go
Do you
buy a
guys
box.
remember that? Oh, you did.
Remember?
You did buy a box.
Yeah.
Remember when Twinkies they weren't gonna make them anymore?
Oh yeah, he did. He was so
He
excited.
ran out.
It was
Just like when,
it was like Zombieland.
Yeah.
What's her recent cereal that came back?
Fucking snowballs.
Snowballs? Yeah. Snowballs? Where's the fucking Twinkies?
Oh yeah.
French toast?
Yes.
Include-
When that came out, we went and got some. We went and got a box.
Shit. Twinkies, they got them 3 cream holes at the bottom.
You already know how to go.
You know I gotta lick it.
Before you stick it.
This is the definition of a cream pie. A lot of people.
Sus.
I love it. Once a month, love it.
Goddamn.
You ate that? Shoot.
This guy done deep throated his Twinkie.
Snake action.
That's how you know it's good.
I fucking can't.
Twinkie,
Fucking
never
can't.
overrated. I give it a 9 out of 10. What's next?
I'm over here now trying to finish.
I give it an 8.
I'm good right now.
Anybody? Three.
Last
guy we did.
Try not to get full because we have plenty of things to go through. Now, 40s, 50s.
Cheese whiz.
No.
Wow. Gushers. Hey,
it's
JK.
ice cream.
What's up, man? I call it Cheetos.
Yep.
Cheetos.
So 40s, 50s, guys.
Alright, so during the 40s and 50s, you remember World War II was going on, Korean War, all that. So Dad's coming up with some creative stuff to feed soldiers and themselves back home.
This makes me wonder, when did Hot Cheetos come out? That was until the 90s? You know how that came to be, right?
Hot Cheetos came out when another Mexican dude saw the Cheetos were good with some hot sauce, and he's
Yeah.
like, hold on.
Well, yeah.
He's like,
that's
wait
how
a minute, I got an idea.
You throw some hot sauce, Louisiana or Jalapeno on these hoes.
Some lime?
Ooh, with some lime. Goddamn 47.
These used to be your favorite. Are they still your favorite or not?
I like them. They're good.
The Latinas coming of age is waking up and eating hot Cheetos for breakfast.
I've never been down with Hot Cheetos like that.
At Henderson, when the ice cream.
And then they'd be like,
With the cheese? What's up, Nancy? The Mexican starter pack?
Yeah, these will always be the bomb, honestly. I rate these a 10 out of 10. They're bomb.
I like it.
I honestly think Cheetos are better than Doritos. Personally.
Maybe.
I can see
Maybe,
that.
yeah.
Because honestly, when my tata would buy us a box of chips, first thing to go was the Cheetos.
Cheetos?
Yeah. I don't know if you guys had like those party
The
packs with small
assortment?
bags.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd eat the sun chips.
The last one, wow. Last bag of chips to go in that pile was either the Fritos or the Lay's.
Always.
Yeah.
Always.
Especially Fritos. Yeah, Fritos, I don't know. Fritos.
My dad be eating them Fritos.
You have to be in the mood for
Frito pies are damn good. But Fritos by themselves,
Not so much.
I'm good. Hold that.
Alright, yeah, well, I guess you can see we're all picking at these, which means a
Move
bomb.
on to the next though.
10.
I don't even tolerate them. I just feel they're good. I don't know. Alright, lucky guess for the 50s or the 60s?
Cheese whiz.
Yep. Got it right. Wait, how are we gonna eat these cheeses? We're not. That's
Do it.
no.
Do it the way it was
Just
invented.
do it.
No, you guys eat it then.
There's only one way this was invented. I'm like so scared to try this because like I always see my friends. This is disgusting.
Wait, don't we have freaking crackers at least?
Don't ever
I'm
disrespect wishes like that again.
We don't.
You eat this shit?
They're probably old.
Personally, I don't eat it, but if it was in my hands, I'd eat it.
That's disgusting.
Sorry.
She's
You know what?
Crackers.
Give me some of that on this Cheeto.
That's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be
Cheese squared.
Y'all, this cheese whiz, the flavor is. Oh shit.
Ah!
I'm gonna do it like in the movie.
No, you're.
Huh? Max, look. It's the Leaning Tower of Cheesa. Huh.
Carrot cheese.
Oh, he did. He got cheese.
I can't. They didn't even take you to dinner, honey. Damn.
He got cheese in
That's
that.
all it
Was it alright?
It's just weird.
This is the two cheeses tasting.
Like it's
Yeah.
not bad.
I honestly, I don't even really want to. I I remember how it tastes. I remember it.
Nah, you got to.
You guys used to have it?
You have to.
If we have regular crackers, yeah.
There.
No, nasty.
I like it.
I bet you won't.
That's
Not you.
disgusting.
You gotta put extra.
Oh wait, that's why cheddar and bacon.
Yes.
Oh, you guys are nasty.
That's what we just
Oh
said.
my god.
That's maybe like baby one.
A little nasty. Ugh.
Like it's just weird.
That's like
Cheese
dog
in a can.
food.
Yeah, like
That's
cheese
like
in a
dog
can.
food.
Yeah, but
Cheese in the can. I mean, no disrespect to anybody that likes that and like enjoys it on the regular. But
I mean, we
it's
used
okay.
to. I don't
I
anymore.
used to.
I never.
I used to eat it in Cali.
You never enjoyed it?
Hell no. This
Like,
is my first time trying this.
no, it's not.
First time trying that.
We killing the Cheetos, so I think it's.
I know, but what's next?
I call it Gushers.
The push pops.
60s through the 70s.
Push pops.
Wait, never mind. That was like 80s.
No, popcorn.
But it's the end of our 50s, early 60s.
So we're hitting that golden era.
That's what it
Is that what they call it? I don't know what they call it. Yeah. So you put this on the oven like this, and the popcorn comes up like that.
On the oven, really?
On the oven, man? That's how you know he doesn't cook.
On the oven?
This guy.
Really?
Look at this guru. I was testing you, chef.
Shut
So,
up.
we're gonna show
On the
you how,
stove, guys,
back
on
in
the
the day,
stove.
how easy this is made. Right, Chips?
On the stufa.
Alright.
Let me get that done real quick.
We'll be back.
Alright, y'all, we're back. We just made this Jiffy Pop. As you guys could see, that's how it comes out. It looks pretty good. It's actually really buttery. You don't get butter.
Quick trivia. What scary movie did this come out?
Scary
Scary
Movie
Movie.
1. First one.
That's what it reminds me
That's
of.
wrong.
With Carmen Electra.
What?
With Carmen
Which one
Electra.
did you say?
Scary movie, I don't know which one it
And
is.
Scream.
Well, yeah, that's
Yeah.
the same
Scary Movie,
shit.
yeah.
But you're all wrong. It's a trivia and you guys failed.
Worst trivia.
I even said what you
You
failed.
know what? All these guys are popcorn friends and I'm not.
I love
They love
popcorn,
popcorn.
yeah.
They will literally go to the movies just to get popcorn. Like,
We will.
including my cousin Derek. But this is pretty good. I didn't think it was gonna be this good, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be plain.
I remember making like one of these back like in the 90s, I want to say.
There are blockbuster
With my mom.
movies.
Yeah, with my
Yeah.
mom. Uh-huh.
My dad too. So what do we rate this popcorn?
I'll give it a
It's could have been
7.
better. Give it a 5.
I give
Yeah,
it
I'll
5.
give it like a, like
The
a
taste
5.
is
Give it a
whatever.
6. So that's the end of the 50s.
That's
Next
the
is
end.
the 60s through the 70s. Anybody know what that is?
I'm gonna take a guess.
Do you guys remember this? I don't even remember this part.
I bet you do. Who do know?
Who do know? Who do know?
Tortilla chips.
Basically, tostadas.
These ones are taco flavor. That's what it says.
Is that what originated? Like Doritos?
What?
Tacos?
No, it was always
It was-
cheese.
I would
Has it
say
been?
cheese,
Then why does this bag look so...
It smells
Old
like
school.
like
It's just
tacos.
taco
Is
flavor.
it?
For us, smelling tacos?
Nah.
I mean,
It tastes like the
it's-
chili cheese Fritos.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It smells like.
It does. Exactly like them.
Tastes good though.
It's like the what?
Chili cheese Fritos.
It does.
That tastes good.
You ever seen Friday? Yeah, give me some
You know what?
chili cheese Fritos.
It has that taco flavor. Like from Taco Bell, from like Taco Bell look.
Yeah.
Not like a real taco.
Like the taco shell on top of it.
It has a Doritos taste, but you can tell like the difference.
Or like
I give them
caramel
an 8
flavor.
out of 10.
Same. Give him an 8.
Give it a 7.
I give it a 7.
What's
We want
next?
Alright.
What's next? What's next? That is true.
80s to the 90s.
Gotta be between these two. The bagels.
80s
These are
for
bagel
sure.
bites.
Bagel bites?
Bagel.
Yes.
Let me get them. Hold
Do
up,
you guys
y'all.
remember eating these a lot growing up?
Nope.
That and like Hot Pockets.
Hot Pockets for sure.
For sure, Hot Pockets.
I didn't really eat Hot Pockets. Like, did you guys like the breakfast ones?
Ugh.
Those are just.
Those came out later, though.
Love
Those came out later,
Those
though.
are disgusting.
Because like we used to just get the ham and cheese ones, and then like
Those are gross.
they were gross
Those are
when you
gross.
started eating them all the time.
Mm-mm.
But the
None.
the pepperoni pizza ones, the bomb.
No, right?
You know what was really nasty? You know what's that breakfast thing where you put in the toaster and you put the cream? Toaster strudels? Not
I love
the
those.
breakfast ones
The
were
breakfast
Oh.
was disgusting when they were always
eggs.
cold.
It was
No.
cheese and
Yeah,
ham.
eggs.
Yes,
Yeah.
cheese and eggs and ham. That's
Yo.
disgusting. That's why every time I hear Jay close cheese, eggs, and potatoes, I don't know why I think of that.
I was just about to say that.
I like those too.
No. So,
Cheese, eggs, and potatoes.
our next one is bagel bites. I'm pretty sure we've had these, all of us growing up.
Mama back. Movie night, you already got the bagel bites.
Easy, quick to make, everybody get one.
Throw them in the oven. You know they're crispy. That's how we do it.
And I don't like that.
What
We
the
like
hell?
that. It's crispy, bitch. It's not. Oh, this guy.
Did you hear that? Burnt pizza. I never had that.
Bitch, you're a bitch.
Fact.
Biggest
Microwave,
hater.
oven, chef. Fail this guy. Chef, if you're watching, fail this guy. I mean, I'd rather have pizza. What's the other ones?
This reminds me of party pizza.
Oh, he's talking about the pizza rolls.
Yeah, pizza rolls. If we're gonna go mini, I'd rather go pizza rolls. If not, I go with the hot pocket pizza.
That whole burned the shit out of me.
Or 7.
These? I give him an 8.
I'll give it a 6.
Yeah, I'll give them a 7. Just because, you know, they're hot as hell once they come out the oven, and then they cool it down real fast.
Alright, now we've come to what? One of the best
The
tunes?
golden
Best
era, the
generations?
greatest decade in world and U.S. history.
Where my 90s babies at,
Yeah.
huh?
Shout out to Tupac.
Now, for the 90s, we have. Do you guys remember Push Pops? These aren't necessarily
These
it,
are the shit.
but it's the same idea, you know? And we all like SpongeBob. Come on, let's not joke around.
These are OG.
OG, triple OG.
You know what I thought of with the 90s? Do you guys remember the colored ketchup?
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Actually, we were
Run it
talking about
back.
that. They were like getting grossed out by it.
Yeah,
The
they
purple
had
one?
like green, purple, blue, all that weird.
Me and my sister had the green one. And then
Why did
we thought it was cool, and then after you like already got out of the funk of like thinking it was cool, you're like, wait, nah, this is kind of weird.
Yeah,
putting
it
this
is.
on my
It's
fry.
kind of weird.
That was
You know what this makes me want to do? Watch Rocket Power. I don't know why.
Yo, but these were the go-to when it was a hot summer night in the 90s.
I feel good. I feel alright. They're good.
Did the strawberry shortcake come out in the 90s or before? I wonder. I feel like that.
That's for sure, for sure.
Like what, the 60s?
Yeah, because those are like probably like with the the big boy cakes or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
master cakes. I'll give it an 8. I give it an 8. They're still delicious.
Same.
Y'all know what's next?
Ooh, I've been waiting all day.
Just
This weirdo guy.
It's weird.
It was always between this or the fruit roll-ups.
Yep.
He likes some super sour ass candy all
I
the
love
time.
sour candy.
Alright, y'all. So
Gushes.
these are bolts. These are
Fruit
bolts.
by the foot. Remember the tattoo ones?
Yeah,
And
they
they
don't work.
huh? Did they have Spider-Man?
They're alright.
Spider-Man trends for a while?
You got the little.
Gush in your mouth.
I was right.
Oh,
It says extra sweet, but
I bet you won't put them all in your mouth.
it tastes good actually.
Yo, gushes are mad good,
I dig these.
and they're very healthy.
What the?
100% juice for 100% kids.
They are sour.
I prefer Sour Patch Kids.
Do you?
That's probably the only like
I love Sour Patch
candy
Kids,
I like.
I take gushers.
So what you guys give it?
I'll give them an 8.
An 8.
It's a high ranking.
Give us sour one to 7.
Because it's gushers, and it's holds a special place in my heart because of 90s babies. 10.
Now, when it came to modern day snacks, can you believe that
Chuck's picked him.
they started saying that healthy things came into play and we weren't playing with that? No, not today. So, we got
These Hostess Bakery Petites. Strawberry and cream cake
Have we tried
delights.
them?
They look like Starbucks cake pops fulfilled.
So, you can see in the bag. You can, but
I'll do it.
You can, but
it smells good.
They look good. Everyone get one, I'll give them from review.
yeah,
Honestly,
Sean.
kind of smell hella sweet.
It's got a feeling.
look at the sparkles. smells good. Oh, and I love strawberry cake.
Show them the inside of the G.
So good. It smells a whole lot better than it tastes. Yeah.
These are my least favorite out of
The
everything.
taste was alright.
Least out of everything?
I give these like a 3 or 4.
Out of the push pop?
It leaves that taste on the top of your mouth, like
It's gritty.
yeah.
Well, y'all, the
Hostess.
finalists for the player haters ball.
The more modern it is, the more chemicals and crap it has.
Well, that's all our snacks.
I know, guys.
Snacks of the future, guys. If we missed
Generations of
anything-
snacks.
Yeah, if we missed anything, let us know.
Well, we know we did. There's plenty of snacks, but we wanted to give you guys more a snack that was meant to prime at that time.
We should do some like random milkshakes.
Oh, we said ice cream. Ice cream is next week, so we're excited for that.
Alright, guys.
This is our snacks.
Clap
That's
the
it.
peace.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know what your favorite snack is, if we tried it, if you guys want us to try anything else on camera. But we have plenty more eating videos coming up, many snacking videos to see. And yeah, we'll be back with another video, guys. Thank you. Bye.